Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone sound and vibration setting guys, and today video title is guys how to on vibrate for calls. Friends, you want to on and use vibrate for call settings. So how to on vibrate for calls in Poco phone today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So friends, open your phone setting to on your vibrate for call setting. So guys, we will on guys phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone device. So friends, we will click on the we will click on phone sound and vibration. And guys, first you want to set ringtone. So you can set ringtone, alarm ringtone, notification sound guys. You can set, you can customize guys your phone volume, media volume, ringtone volume, alarm volume. Friends, you want to enable silent mode. So you can enable and you can disable silent mode from here. Friends, do not disturb setting is also here. You want to enable your do not disturb. So you can enable call and notification will be silenced guys. You can unsilent from here. Friends, you can see your vibrate for call setting guys. You want to on, so friends you can on from here guys your phone vibrate for call. So friends, your phone will vibrate on call. So like that guys, we can on guys phone vibrate for call setting in Poco phone device. So friends, you want to use vibrate for calls, so guys you can on in your Poco phone from sound and vibration. And friends, you don't want to use guys your phone vibrate for call setting. So guys, we will on phone setting again, and guys search bar guys, we will search here guys phone vibrate setting, and we'll search here guys vibrate for calls guys. As you can see vibrate for calls, we will click here and direct guys you can off from here your vibrate for call setting. We will tap here to off. So friends, our phone will not vibrate for calls. So like the guy, we can on and use vibrate for call setting. You want to off, so you can off. Search bar guys, search here guys vibrate for calls, and guys you can off from here your vibrate for calls on and off. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.